Do you want to know how I make this amazing, fluffy, rich carrot cake? Just stay tuned. Hello, my lovely viewers. This is Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Before we continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the opportunity for you to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification button. These are the ingredients. The full list of these ingredients, I will put them in the description box below. So let's get started. In the bowl, I have the cake flour and I add in the salt and the baking powder. Whisk all of them together and sift all of them together. After sifting, I set them aside. Here I have my already washed carrots and peeled carrots. So I slice them and I pour them inside the blender. Then I add the milk, though I reserve some for later use. Followed by the eggs. I crack in the eggs. Now I pour in the orange zest, then the vanilla extract, the brown sugar, and I pour in the vegetable oil. I cover the lid, I cover the blender with the lid, and I blend all together. Now they are all well blended, I set them aside. And I bring in the sifted flour. I make a hole at the middle of the flour and I pour in the wet ingredients that I blended together. With my rubber spatula, I mix all the batter together until they are well incorporated. Now they are evenly distributed, I throw in the rest of the milk. As you can see, our batter is well combined and it is okay, smooth. Here I have two greased and lined up with parchment paper, 18cm round cake pan. I pour in the cake batter into the two pans on equal level. Transfer them to the oven to be baked for about 30 to 45 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Now we know our cake is done when the toothpick inserted in the center comes out again. While waiting for the cake to cool, we prepare the frosting. Here are the ingredients. I will list it also at the description box below. We are preparing a cream cheese frosting. Now we start by beating our room temperature butter, salted butter. With the hand mixer, we mix the butter. We beat the butter until it is soft. I throw in the salt. Sift in the confectioner sugar into the butter. beat all of them together until they are well combined, light and fluffy. As you are beating, you scrape down the bowl. Make sure that all of them are well combined. Now it is fluffy and well combined. We are going to add in the cream cheese, followed by the vanilla extract, and continue beating all of them together in a low speed until all of them are well incorporated. Now that we are through with the frosting, I'm going to scoop it into a piping bag and keep it aside. The cake is cool, so I have to level it. Even as I'm leveling it, my children are even craving for this cake. They can't even wait for me to frost it. As you can see, they are by the side waiting for mommy to cut it for them. The cake is really looking yummy and rich, I tell you. I can't wait to finish with frosting the cake. Now I lay the cake on top of a turntable. I apply a little bit of cream cheese on there before I lay the first layer of the cake. Then I cover the first layer with cream cheese frosting. Place the second layer on top of the frosting and frost all of them together. With grated carrots, I decorate it by laying it on top of the cake. After that, I transferred it to the refrigerator. After about 20 minutes, I refrigerate it. I took it out and pipe it with cream cheese. I pipe carrot cake on top of it for decoration. As you can see, the cake is already looking appetizing. I can't even wait to finish. This is rich simple, just with your blender, and you're good to go. Cake will be ready. So as you can see, I'm decorating it by piping the carrots, the mini carrots on top of it. I wish you would try this very recipe at home. You enjoy your day with your family. Try it and you will see the goodness in this very carrot cake. It is yummy, it is fluffy, moist, and also rich. Carrot is very rich because it is a vegetable. As you can see, our carrot cake is finally ready to be served. I want you to try this very recipe and I hope you enjoyed this very video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy yourself and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.